sixth, seventh global in the Global Financial Central Index and is the second highest ranked country in sub-Saharan Africa, just behind Casablanca. These rankings underscore Rwanda's growing reputation as fintech hub with a forward-thinking regulatory investment. Singapore-Rwanda deepening partnership in fintech. Pros and cons. RDAP and the fintech strategy aim to attract fintech investment in Rwanda, but they go about it in very different ways. RDAP focuses on building digital infrastructure and supporting early-stage entrepreneurs. On the other hand, this fintech strategy prioritizes scaling financial technology companies by offering a fast-track 3 to 4 month licensing progress and regulatory sandboxes, which have already benefited over 50 companies. The two approaches also differ in how they boost investor confidence. RDAP emphasizes long-term benefits by investing in foundational infrastructure, which might take time to show returns. Meanwhile, the fintech strategy provides immediate incentives such as regulatory clarity, tax advantages like 0% rates for eligible headquarters, and a goal to attract $200 million in investments by 2029. However, it faces challenges like high intermediation costs and low consumer trust. Here is a side-by-side look at their strengths and challenges. So, feature Rwanda Digital, Rwanda Fintech Acceleration Strategy 2029 Program. Primary focus: building digital infrastructure and supporting startups, growing a fintech ecosystem and attracting investments. Key strengths: provide connectivity and seed funding, delivers regulatory clarity with sandboxes and expedited licensing. Main challenge: slower returns due to infrastructure heavy focus, struggles with high intermediation costs and limited consumer trust. Investor appeal: sets the stage for long-term digital economic growth, offers immediate market opportunities with clear regulatory pathways. These two programs are designed to complement each other. RDAP works on breaking down barriers by creating the digital infrastructure necessary for innovation. In contrast, the fintech strategy helps companies expand quickly through initiatives like license passporting agreements with countries such as Ghana. Industry leaders have weighed in on this dual approach. The cost of intermediation remains high. It's crucial for us to address this if we are to create a more inclusive and competitive sector. Herbert Asim, head of financial sector development at the Ministry of Finance and Economic Planning. Rwanda is not competing on size but on agility and strategic positioning, providing a launchpad for fintechs planning to conquer the broader African market. Jean-Claude Ndayishimiye Anderson in Rwanda. These insights underline how Rwanda is positioning itself as a fintech hub by balancing foundational development with strategies for rapid scaling. Conclusion: Rwanda is carving out a new path for fintech growth with its dual initiative approach. The sharp rise in fintech funding systems from two key programs that support startups at every stage of their journey. The Rwanda Digital Acceleration Program (RDAP) provides early-stage financing through efforts like Hang Venture Initiative and Bolster Digital Infrastructure. At the same time, the Fintech Strategy 2024-2029 creates a regulatory framework and offers incentives to attract substantial investment, targeting $200 million by 2029. Together, these initiatives are building a strong foundation for a thriving fintech ecosystem. In 2023, Rwanda saw a significant leap in startup funding, raising $38 million in a six-fold increase compared to 2022. The fintech ecosystem expand rapidly growth from just 17. Okay, so hano ni nkaho ndi kubisubiramo ibyo twari twabonye hariya hejuru. So n'ibyo rero nabasomeraga bivuga kuri fintech, ko u Rwanda rushaka komeza rushira guteza imbere tekinoloji cyangwa tekinoloji igezweho ya intelligence. So ndabashimira cyane rero. Zino news articles nazibavaniye mu kinyamakuru cyitwa Tech Africa. Nizere ko hari icyo mushoboye kumvamo kandi nagerageje kubasomera neza. So ndabashimira kuba mugeze kuri uyu mwanya mugiteze amatwi episode yo kuri channel Ultimate Stories. So natarabasezera ndabashimira buri muntu wese ufite gahunda, cyo nicyo mwana mbabwira hano, ufite gahunda yo gutura muri Amerika, uri mushyashya cyangwa urashaka kubisobanukirwa, ushaka gusobanukirwa credit history yaho ukuntu ikorwa, jya muri description hasi wanyandikira kugira ngo bino bintu tubiganireho ubisobanukirwa nimba ari ikintu uha agaciro, kuko kino kintu ni ikintu ugomba guha agaciro kugira ngo ubuzima bwawe bukomeze neza. Ndabizi ko hari entry restriction kuba bimukira mu gihugu cya Amerika, ariko nibivuga ko wenda hatari abantu bazashobora kujyayo. Waba hari uzi wenda unabayo ushaka kubisobanukirwa wambwira, cyangwa we wamubwira, nge naho hari ukuntu twakumvikana kugira ngo ibintu bikomeze neza. So ndabashimira cyane. Nanone yari ngewe icyo kunywa kitabura kubera Perezida wa Afrika, Model the Emperor, Model Fitrabusha, nabagezagaho ibyo nabateguriye hano. Ndabashimira, mukomeze mugire icyumweru cyiza, mwirirwe.